Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a stop sign like this. Stop signs are great for street scenes or just to look at if you want. You see them everywhere in real life, but it's one of those things that a lot of people don't think about because they see it so often and they don't think about how important they are. So today we're going to go and first thing you're going to do is you're going to search for a basketball. And any of these will do. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it into the pic. Oh, it's a little big, so you're going to want to make it a little smaller. And the first thing you want to do is you want to get rid of this background. So it doesn't have to be perfect, because you can change things later if you have to, and you just want a rough outline because it's going to be hard to trace the ball with the black. It's going to be confusing. So you want to get rid of as much of the. It's okay. It's okay. You want to get rid of as much of the ball as you can. Okay. As much as the black background. This is looking pretty good. Just want to go around. That's good. Oh, okay. So now you want to go and do a new layer, and you're gonna trace the ball. Oh, make sure you're in the pen mode, and you're gonna trace the ball. It helps with smoothings on, and it makes it easier. If you have a tablet, that makes it even easier. I have to use a mouse because my tablet's still broken. So, okay, and you're gonna go into a new layer, and you're gonna switch to red, and you're gonna make the ball into 8 pieces. So here's 2 pieces, here's 4 pieces, this will be 6 pieces, and this is 8 pieces because stop sign has 8 sides, so it's important. And then you're going to go to a new layer, and you're going to connect the lines where they hit the ball. It seems hard at first, but it's actually really easy, and over time you can get really good at it, and it really helps with the realism of the sign. Okay, so now if you turn all the other layers off, you'll notice we have the shape that we want, and if we rotate it, it's looking even better now. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to color it in, making sure, try not to go outside of the edges, and you're just going to work your way around, and there we go. And in the middle is kind of fun because you can just do whatever you want because you don't have to worry about going outside now. Okay, so now the best part about this is that you can use the erase tool to make the letters. So we're gonna do S O P. So, and then if you want, you can add. Oops. You can add the stick. And there you go. That's how you make a stop sign in Photoshop. I hope you guys have a good day and you enjoy the video. Thank you.